I am going to tell you a brand new method to make your first $100 a day with affiliate marketing, even you have no skills, no experience, no authority, and you are a complete beginner. This is the best and proven method if you did not make any money in the past. In the step 2, I am going to reveal this brand new method. But before that, you must know about the step 1. Step 1 is mindset. People fail in affiliate marketing because of wrong mindset. Success is 80% mindset and 20% mechanics, like funnels, emails, traffic sources, strategies. All these things just matter 20%. If you have a right mindset, you believe in yourself, and you are following a right business model, you are going to make money. No matter how much money you want to make, you are going to make money. Step 2 is build your hub, your home on the internet. It is the brand new hub business model that you never heard before. You need to build your hub on the internet. In today's times, it is the only way to build a profitable and sustainable long-term business. Most of the successful companies, people like Tony Robbins, Russell Brunson, Gary Vee have their own hub. You can see here, this is the hub of Tony Robbins. This is his brand. This is the hub of Gary Vee. Also, I am going to show you the hub of Russell Brunson. This is the hub of Russell Brunson. All the successful people works with this hub-based business model. I will also show you my hub in the upcoming videos. Hub allows you to do multiple actions. It becomes your brand on the internet. It allows you to generate sales with many different ways. Hub allows you to build your own community. You can create multiple streams of income with your hub. Hub allows you to automate your business so that it can run on autopilot and you can earn passively. I will make a dedicated video on the hub-based business model, why you need a hub, how you can make your own hub. In step 4, I will tell you how you are going to use this hub-based business model. After building your hub, in step 3, choose a high-quality, world-class product that you are going to promote. Collaborate with the companies that has an ecosystem and they allow you to tap into their ecosystem so that you can make multiple commissions by promoting just one single product. Now, in step 4, after choosing a product, you need to choose a social media platform to send traffic to your hub. This is the hub-based business model. You are not going to send your traffic from social media platform to your affiliate link or to the product. You are going to send your traffic from social media platform to your hub, where you are promoting different kinds of product and you are making commission from those products. You can choose any social media platform, be it YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You just need to see where you can easily find your ideal customer. Start creating content on that platform, attract your ideal customer, and send your traffic to your hub so that you can start making money. Now, if you want to know a blueprint how Chad Bartlett makes $100,000 per month with affiliate marketing, click on this video.